Children, in playing with numbers, let's discuss how LCM can be applied to solve real life situations. Now, if a problem, mention the words like least or smallest or minimum, or there is repetition of an action, or it's happening at the same time or simultaneously or together again, then the problem can be solved using least common multiple. Now, let's discuss situation 1. Arjun exercises every 12 days and Deepika every 8 days. Arjun and Deepika both exercised today. How many days will it be until they exercise together again? Now, here the keyword is together again. So, this problem can be solved using LCM. So, let's take LCM of 12 and 8. Now, let's divide by 2, 6, 2, 4. Again by 2, 3, 2 2s are 4, again by 2, bring down 3, 2 1s are, now by 3, we get 1 in the last row. So LCM is equal to product of all its prime divisors. So if you multiply, you get 24. So Deepika and Arjun will exercise together on 24th day. Now let's move to situation 2. Suppose you and your friends study in the same school but in different classes. Each class has a different time interval. Your class bell rings after 45 minutes and your friend's class bells ring after 30 minutes and 36 minutes. Now, if classes begin by ringing together at 8 a.m., at what time will they ring together again so that all of them can meet once again? Now, here the keyword is together again. So, this problem can be solved using LCM. So, let's find LCM of 45, 30 and 36. Now let's divide by 3, 15, 3, 10, 3, 12. Let's again divide by 3, 5, bring down 10, 3, 4. Now let's divide by 5, 1, 5, 2 and bring down 4. Now let's divide by 2, 1, 2, 1, 2 2s are 4, again by 2 and we get 1 in the last row. So LCM is equal to product of all its prime divisors. So if you multiply, you will get 180 minutes. Now let's convert minutes into hours by dividing it by 60. So 180 upon 60 hours. 0 will get cancelled with 0. 6 3s are 18. So we get 3 hours. So the bells will ring together after 3 hours. Now they ring together at 8 a.m. So you will add 3 hours in 8. So we get 11 hours. So they will meet at 11 a.m. Now let's move to situation 3. In a morning walk, 3 persons step off together. Their steps measure 80 centimeter, 75 centimeter and 70 centimeter. Now what is the minimum distance each should walk so that all can cover the same distance in complete steps? Now here keywords are minimum distance or the least distance and same or common distance. So again the problem can be solved using LCM. So let's find out LCM of 80, 75 and 70. Now let's divide by 2. 40, bring down 75 to 35. Now let's divide by 5. 8, 5, 15, 5, 7. Now let's divide by 2. 4, bring down 15 and 7. Again divide by 2. 2s are 4, bring down 15 and 7. Again with 2, 1s are and bring down 15 and 7. Now let's divide by 3. 1, 3, 5s are and bring down 7. Now divide by 5. 1 and bring down 7. Now divide by 7 and we get 1 in the last row. So LCM is equal to product of all its prime divisors. So if you multiply, you get 8400 centimeters. Now convert it into meters by dividing it by 100, because 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So we get 84 meters. So the required minimum distance or the least distance is 84 meters. Now children, if a problem mention words like greatest or most or largest or longest, or you have to make groups, or you have to split, or you have to divide and share equally, or there is no leftover or without any wastage, then the problem can be solved using highest common factor. Now let's discuss situation 4. Karan is planning his birthday party. His mom would make 18 burgers and 27 brownies for the party. How many total people can Karan have at party so the burgers and brownies are shared equally among his friends? How many burgers and brownies will each person receive? Now here the keyword is shared equally. So this problem can be solved using HCF. So let's find out HCF of 18 and 27. So let's divide 27 by 18. 18 ones are 18 and we get here 9 remainder, and then 9 twos are 18. So the last divisor is the HCF. So we get HCF is equal to 9. So Karan can invite 9 of his friends. Now there are total 18 burgers. So each will get 18 divided by 9, which is equal to 2 burgers. And there are 27 brownies. So 27 divided by 9 is equal to 3. So each will get 3 brownies. I hope children, you are getting all these questions. Now let's continue with exercise 5.7. We have already done question number 1. Now let's do question 2. Find the least number divisible by each of the numbers 15, 20, 24, 32 and 36. Now here the keyword is least. So you have to find out the LCM of 15, 20, 24, 32 and 36. And I hope children you can try this question yourself. Now third question is, what is the smallest number which is exactly divisible by 585 and 624? Now here again the keyword is smallest number. So you need to find out least common multiple. So find out LCM of 585 and 624. Children, try this question yourself. Now question number 4, 5, 6 and 7 we will not do. Now let's move to question number 8. 4 bells ring at intervals of 9, 12, 15 and 18 seconds respectively. They begin by ringing together. After how long will they all ring together again? Now here the keyword is together again. And children, we have already done similar type of question above. So here you need to find out LCM of 9, 12, 15 and 18. And I hope you can do this question yourself. Now to understand the relation between HCF and LCM of two numbers, consider two numbers 12 and 54 and let's find out their HCF. Now 54 divided by 12. So 12 fours are 48 and we get 6 remainder. So 6 twos are 12. Last divisor is the HCF. So here HCF is equal to 6. Now let's find out LCM of 12 and 54. Now let's divide it by 2, 6, 2, 27. Again with 2, 3, bring down 27. Now divide by 3, 1s are 3, 9s are. Now divide by 3, 3 3s are 9 and again with 3 and we get 1 in the last row. So LCM is equal to product of all its prime divisors. So if you multiply, you will get 108. Now children, remember that HCF of two or more numbers is always a factor of their LCM. So it means HCF will divide LCM exactly. Now let's check for our question. Now here HCF is equal to 6 and LCM is 108. So let's divide LCM by HCF. 6 ones are, then 6 eights are. So you can see here 6 divides 108 exactly. So HCF is a factor of LCM. It is always true. Now let's find out the product of the two given numbers. Which is 12 into 54. And we get 648. Now let's find out product of HCF and LCM. That is 6 into 108. Again we get 648. So this means that product of two given numbers is equal to HCF into LCM. Children, you have to remember these properties. We will not be doing any questions based on these properties. Now for worksheet 5, you have to do exercise 5.7, question number 2, 3 and 8. And this completes our chapter 5, playing with numbers. And I hope you have understood all these questions. Thank you.